Welcome back to another crypto video. Oh, would you just look at that? Oh my god, would you just look at that? Look at the size of that red candle. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. That bearish divergence played out. And it played hard. Look at that. We finally got a bearish divergence. Pop goes the weasel. And yeah, I mean, if we look at the daily RSI, we can't fully say whether we're finished with a sell-off. It could come lower, like we might see a greater sell-off. But let's not think too negatively. That was crazy, guys. I mean, if you take a look at Bitcoin, did you see the wick? The size of the wick that came down on that thing? I mean, that was insane. So today, Matic did take a pretty hefty beating, 24%. Ooh. And I'm not gonna lie, I got liquidated. So yeah, even some guys in the Discord chat were completely panicking. But I can't believe it. We've actually formed this head and shoulders, and we've got to see what happens next, really. So if we look over here, Polygon over the 24 hours, down 18%. Still, we have a really strong market cap of $8.9 billion, and it's just chilling at rank 19 in the crypto world in terms of the crypto ladder. So let's have a little look at Polygon Matic, and well, we did come down pretty hard. If we have a look where we came down to on the retracement, we come down to 0.786, exactly on that level, that 129 support level, and these are the levels you want to put your buy orders in, because they don't happen, let me say, they don't happen very often, but when they do happen, it's like, it's there and it's not there. You have literally minutes to get that order in place because there's so much buying pressure at these levels. So we just need to see whether we're kind of going to get like the reversal wave to the upside again. We are really below the EMA, which is usually a good sign, and that's on the daily. And we have got ourselves another green candle, but that doesn't actually mean we're not going to come down lower. So if we take a look right now, 129, we have a huge amount of support. We can potentially come down even lower, but if we do that, I think we're going to see a bearish cross with the EMAs, which could confirm like a short-term bear market. So that might put us back into a downtrend. I don't think that's going to happen. So of course, our levels of resistance are all of the ones we just basically beat, and now we've come back down. So they're all resistances once again. So we're going to have some hard time busting through 140 once again, busting through 154. And 169. So it's really just a little bit of an update with Polygon Matic at the moment, is to keep an eye on the price. This $129 level is a huge bit of support, because if we do sort of break that, I think we're going to come lower, like around to 120. We might even fall into this like accumulation range, but I think it's likely. Unlikely. Mark my words, unlikely. But just keep an eye on the market at the moment. If you do place a long right now and you like to be risky, set your stop loss. But yeah, it's crazy. That was some crazy price action. Yeah, that was some dirty dumpage. That is the bearish divergence playing out. So if that is the sell-off complete and we do kind of break back up and Bitcoin does want to move upwards again in price, we should see these odds pop back up. Usually when you're under the 21-day moving average on the 4-hour chart, it is a really good time to buy back in. But we need to also kind of zoom out a little bit. So if we just look at Bitcoin chart quickly, go into the daily time frame, weekly. Sorry. You know, we could potentially also form this sort of descending triangle. So even though I think that's very unlikely, just due to the fact that the buying pressure from 31,000 or 44K was that tremendous, I think it's quite unlikely that we will come that low. This is a big red day, and usually red days, you know, this is when you want to enter long positions, or at least accumulate more, because they usually pay off most in the long run. So I'm actually going to just have a little time this evening going through some coins that I think may see a nice bullish reversal, and that would be fantastic. Anyway, we're looking at Matic today, so let's quickly hop back into that Matic chart. Bear with me, bear with me. I hope you're all doing great, by the way, guys. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel. So yeah, you can see we've got this kind of head and shoulders pattern going on. Got the left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder, got the neckline. We did break below it. We did break that right there. So we really do need to see what's going to happen in the near future. But like I say, you know, these are the next kind of resistance levels. Where do we think it's going to go, guys? Do we think we're going up, or do we think we're going down before we go back up? Let me know in the comments. If you're new here, subscribe, and thanks, guys. See you on the next one.